In this video, I'm going to do something different. I want to show you exactly how you can go from $0 per month to $20,000 per month in very short and easy steps. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, I'm going to do something different because I've been getting complaints that the niches that I've been given, they are having more results or bigger search results. Like I explained to you guys that I'm using the exact steps that a customer will use when they land into Amazon, which is going, they don't even change this. They just go to the search bar and type whatever they're typing. That's the same way I go and I search for a niche. But I've been getting complaints of recent that whenever they do their search or they search for the niches that I'm giving, they get bigger results. When I'm searching for a niche, I use the same pathway that a customer uses when they are searching for a book, which is coming directly to the search bar and typing the book name. But I've gotten some complaints that the results or the search results for the niches that I'm giving is larger, and that's because they click all and go to books. They go and search under the books category, which is not what a customer will do. Customers, when they land on the page, they go directly to the search bar and search for whatever they're searching. They don't even have time to search in the books department, which is what some people are doing, and that is why they're having results which are different from mine. So I want you guys to tell me in the comment section below if I should continue this segment, the segment of the top 5 KDP niches of the week, because of those complaints, I've decided to bring it to a halt and have the opinions of you guys in the comment section below telling me if I should go ahead with the top 5 Amazon KDP niches of the week or if to bring it to a complete halt. So for today's video, I'm going to do something different pending the responses of you guys in the comment section below telling me if to continue or to bring it to a halt. So for today's video, I'm going to show you in 3 easy steps how to go from $0 to $20,000 per month. And yes, guys, it's doable if you follow these exact steps. And the first step is to find the niches that customers are searching for. So for that, I'm going to use a tool. It's called Erank. I'm not affiliated with Erank at all. Erank doesn't even have an affiliate program. It's just a tool that I've been using for a while, and I know that it's going to be beneficial for you guys. I even use it for print on demand, and now I'll be using it for KDP. So in Erank, what you want to do is come to the Explorer or Keyword Explorer, click on it, and already done some searches. And I'm using the basic paid plan. You can use the free paid plan. I think it's about 5 searches per day, something of that sort. And in this case, I'm going to go for book. Just type books. So I want to see what is trending. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm searching for books that are trending. And if I go down, right down here, you see searches, keywords that I'm searching. So right now, wedding guest book is what is trending. As you can see, average searches in the US is about 8,000. This is what people are searching for. Google searches is 22,200. So these are the metrics here. This is telling you exactly what people are or customers are searching for. So what you want to do, look at this. Guest book 2 is trending. Book ends, I don't even know what that is. Book of Shadows, I'm sure that's a novel or something. Coloring books are trending. So you see exactly what kind of books people are looking for. Now to do is to pick a niche, for example, wedding guest book. We've picked the niche. The next thing is to make a wedding guest book. And there are several ways you can make a wedding guest book. You can even get an interior from Creative Fabrica. I've spoken a lot about Creative Fabrica. If you've watched my channel, then you know that I talk a lot about Creative Fabrica, where you can get niches. There's a link in the where you can get interiors. There's a link in the description below if you want to check out Creative Fabrica. So here, if you're looking for wedding guest book, just type wedding guest book and you'll see several interiors that you want to use. Wedding guest book interior. So here is a wedding guest book interior by Expert. I did is a favorite, but if I let me just do wedding guest book and click OK. You see several results of actually 245 results of wedding guest books, and you're going to pick the one that you're interested in. And look, this one looks very beautiful. This one looks beautiful too. So you're going to pick one of them and you're going to purchase it. Actually, I always recommend that you go for the paid plan if you want to purchase an interior. Here's a $19 per month. You have access to all the interiors on Creative Fabrica. You can download it anytime, or you could pay this 40 cents one-time payment for only this interior. So once you've got the interior, the next thing is to look for the cover of the book. Now, what I recommend you doing is going to Vexels. Vexels is my recommended platform that you can use both for KDP as well as print on demand. I use it for everything. I have the one-time payment plan, which is the forever plan. I paid $500 and I got I paid $500 and I paid $500 once and I never have to pay again. So that's the beauty of the one-time payment plan. And I have access to KDP covers as well as print on demand designs as well as requests. So in this case, I'm going to focus on the KDP covers. There are hundreds and hundreds of KDP covers that you can use. And in this case, I'm just going to type wedding guest book or wedding book. Just type wedding book and let's see what covers they have for us. So here are several covers, wedding guest book covers. This one just says wedding journal. This one is actually journal, winter holidays, but that doesn't matter because you can edit this journal to guest book. I've even shown you in several videos how to do that. It's very easy. You can even use book boats editing tool to edit this. I've showed you in the past how to do that. It's very easy. If you haven't watched those videos, I recommend that you do. So you grab a cover from here, you edit it, or you create your own cover if you want. Or you could even request Vexels to make a custom cover for you depending on your plan. So once you've got the interior from Creative Fabrica and the cover from Vexels, the next thing is to promote your book. You're not just going to make a book and you throw it on Amazon and expect people to start buying it immediately, because there are several and hundreds and thousands of different books from other people that are in competition with you. So to make yourself stand out from the crowd, you will have to promote it. So the first step that I will advise you to do is to promote it on Amazon. Once you've promoted it on Amazon, and I've made several videos in the past showing you how to promote your books on Amazon. And this next step that I will advise you to do is to promote it on YouTube. Many people don't use YouTube to promote their books, and that's the exact method that we're going to use to promote our books in this video. So we're going to go to YouTube. In this case, our book is the guest book or wedding guest book. We're going to go to channels talking about wedding. Let's first of all try wedding books and see if there's anybody talking about wedding books. So this one says best wedding photo books 2020. Got you. This is exactly what I was searching for. So these are people talking about wedding books or wedding photo books. This is the exact audience that you want to be viewing your books that you have published on Amazon. So we're just quickly going to open this on the next page. Let me just pause that. And how many? 8,000 subscribers. So what you want to do is contact. There you go. So here's a blog. Let's open that and see. So you just want to look around the channel and see if the YouTuber has any contacts that you can use to right here, it says contact. So click that contact, and you can contact him from here: name, email, comment. Or you could go on their channel, on the about page, just click on their name and you go to the about page of their channel and you will see their email there, if you don't want to go through the other route I just showed you. And you say location UK, sign in to see email address. I'm not signed in right now, that's why it says sign in. So once you sign in, you will click the captcha, solve it, and the email address will pop up. Just grab the email address, shoot an email to him or her, tell them that you want them to promote your book and you're going to pay. Ask them how much they want you to pay, and ask them what address they want you to send a sample of their book to. Because as you can see in this video, on this one right here, he was showing a sample of the book. So you can't just be promoting a book without the audience seeing a sample of the book. So you need to send him a sample of the book, then pay for the promotion of the book. Then the last step that I want you to do is to sign up for Amazon Associates program. Amazon Associates program is a program where you recommend products and you earn commissions from it. So you're just quickly going to sign up, and they're going to ask you to put in the link of a website or a YouTube channel or whatever platform you're going to use to promote their product. I have a website, so I put in the name of that website, but you can put in any other platform, maybe a Twitter account or maybe a YouTube account or maybe a blog or website, and you're going to put it in there, and you have within 180 days they're going to review your application. If you haven't referred anyone, they are going to end your associates program. Then if you've referred someone, you're going to stay in their program. So that's how it works. And they say you can earn up to 10% in associates commission. Actually, it depends on the field or the category you are recommending products in. That's how your commissions go. So once you've signed up and you're into the Amazon Associates program, you're going to grab a link from using your book, the book that you've posted. Your book must be live by now. So you should grab a link that Amazon is going to give you, and you are going to paste that link. You're going to give that link to your YouTuber friend who is going to promote it for you. So once your YouTuber friend is promoting it for you, you are receiving commissions, Amazon commissions, for referring people to Amazon, as well as receiving sales on your book. So you're going to be earning twice. I repeat the same process with all these other books that are trending, or other people or all the other books that people are searching for. As you can see here, this one shows Book Nook. This one is actually a website. Adult coloring books. You can repeat the same process with adult coloring books. Just to summarize it, step 1, go to Erank, search for a niche. Step 2, go to YouTube, search for the niche and search for a YouTuber in that niche. Step 3, contact the YouTuber, ask them how much they're going to promote your book for and send them a sample. Step 4, after they receive the book, a sample of the book, and made a video, send them the link of your Amazon Associates link of your book, so that they're going to put in their description. So once anyone clicks on it, you're going to receive commissions with Amazon and you're going to get sales on your book. And step 5, repeat the whole process again with other keywords or niches that people are searching for. So guys, that's how it's easy to go from $0 per month to over $20,000 per month in these 5 easy steps. So guys, if you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand and KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you in the next one.